In today's video, I'm going to show you how I fix this stove knob. This is for an LG appliance. What happens is after a lot of turning, these start to crack and then they start to not work anymore. What I did is I 3D printed this little guy that goes in there. Anyways, first thing you got to do is take these off. It's a little hard if this is the first time you're doing it. Once you do that, you take this little metal thing and you just set it aside. And then this is going to go in here, but obviously it doesn't fit. So we got to just cut this off. I use flush cutters, but any method of cutting plastic that you know will work. It's easier when it's actually cracked. This one's actually pretty good, so I'm not going to mess with it for now. But I'm going to show you one that's already been messed up. So see, this one I've been cutting already. And it's pretty easy. It does take a little bit of force, and you definitely don't need to go this far. You just need this thing to sit flush right here. There's like a little groove where it goes, so this thing just needs to go on there. Then this goes on here. Now make sure you match up this with the off and this with the little notch right here. You can see it. And after you do that, just go ahead and screw them up and you'll be ready to go. If you have a 3D printer, the Thingiverse files will be in the description. If you don't, I was thinking about making little kits and selling these, all 5 of them, on eBay. If you would like that, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.